Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Dollar Tree wall hanging planter. I grabbed one of these signs from Dollar Tree. It's just a long sign with a star on it. 3 of these wall pocket hangers. I grabbed 2 white and 1 black, some floral foam, and then a bunch of different greenery from Dollar Tree, and I think maybe some might be from Walmart, but you can use whatever you want. First thing I did was I cut the floral foam to fit inside of each of the pockets. Once I had them all filled with the floral foam, I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue and add it to the back along with some hot glue. And the Gorilla Glue is going to do a long-term hold, and the hot glue is going to do a short-term so that I can continue working on my project. I'm going to hot glue these on right up and down from each other vertically. And I'm going to do 1 white, 1 black, and then the bottom one will be white also. Once I had them all glued on and they were secure, I started cutting my greenery just using some wire snips and just filling my little pockets with the greenery, whichever ones that I had decided. At first, I tried to do these so that they would hang down, but they really just did not want to cooperate, so I ended up going a completely different route with them. Instead of having them go down, I made them go up instead. As you can see, I cannot get them to flip over for the life of me, and they just would not stay. So I just started cutting other florals, and I'm going to leave these so that they don't hang out, and I'm going to add them so that they actually stick up instead. And you can add whatever you want. You can do the greenery. You could do some florals if you wanted to. You could make it so that you can change it out for every season. It's totally up to you. And as you can see, that's how I filled the bottom pocket, and I'm just going to repeat it for the middle and the top pocket. I actually thought about doing like the top pocket and the bottom pocket in one, and then doing the middle in something different. But I decided for, this time of year, spring, summer, that I was just going to leave it all the greenery, and then I'll kind of mess with it maybe come time fall or for Christmas season. I think it'll be really cute to mess around with it in different ways. And I like how the colors are just, black and white, so really anything will match them. So like I said, you can make this your own, and you could even use your Cricut and put wording on the little pockets. I mean, there was no painting done here. There was no nothing. It was literally just glue and fill. And this just turned out so cute. Dollar Tree has really stepped it up with their items to decorate with and to create with. And this project is just really super easy that even if you're not crafty, you could definitely do this project. I'd like to hear your ideas for this in the comment section below. I would love to hear everybody's different take on it. And if you make it, I would absolutely love if you would show us in the comments that you did. And that is it. This project is done. It's so simple, so cute. It looks so great in my house. I hope this inspires you to make one. I thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.